subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Infinix launched its new smartphone globally called Infinix Note 30 VIP. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 30 VIP features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 9 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Infinix Note 30 VIP sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 68 watts wired, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on XOS 13 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with a large VC heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes JBL-powered sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.66 by 75.89 by 8.21 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 30 VIP has been priced globally at $299. And it will be available for purchase in Glacier White and Magic Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 30 VIP smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.